Alright, hello everyone! Welcome po sa ating video ngayon. At ang pag-uusapan natin ay paano ba talaga maging successful sa Forex trading, no? How to be a successful Forex trader. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga pinakamahirap na tanong, no? At pinakamahirap na sagutin, especially for those new traders as well as seasoned traders, no? Siguro yung mga iba sa atin, new traders, no? Medyo bago-bago pa sa market, di natin masyadong naiintindihan kung ano ba talaga yan, paano ba talaga kumita, no? Tapos yung mga iba naman, mga seasoned traders na matagal ka nang natutong mag-forex, no? Ang dami mo ng strategies na nasubukan pero hindi ka pa rin kumikita sa market, no? Bakit ganun, no? So what does it really take to become a successful trader? At para sa amin po, tatlo po yung kailangan natin, no? We need three things in order to be successful in the market. Number one, kailangan po maganda yung ating trading strategy, no? So you have to have a trading plan, no? Ano ba yung trading plan na yun? Yung trading plan po, it is a very concrete way para mag-trade, no? Ibig sabihin, meron pong very specific set of rules na dapat kang makita or ma-meet na condition sa market before you actually take a trade, no? For example, if you're looking at the technical aspect of trading, sabihin natin, oh, sige, kapag nakakita ako ng flag pattern, no, during a long-term uptrend, tapos pag nakakita ako ng breakout, no, papasok na ako sa market, and then yung stop loss ko could be the recent low or recent high, tapos yung risk reward ratio ko is 1:2, so my take profit is twice as my risk, no? So meron kang very specific way of trading, no? Tapos pwede mo dagdagan ng momentum, pwede mo dagdagan ng whatever analysis that would add confluence to your trade, no? So kailangan meron kang specific strategy. Tapos kung hinahalo mo yung fundamentals, no, kailangan specific din. Kailangan ganito yung market conditions before I make a trade. Hindi pwedeng selective ka, no? So kailangan lahat ng conditions na yon, you have to meet it, no? So meron kang specific trading plan that lists out all of those conditions, no? Bakit, no? Kailangan specific po yun at talagang dapat ginagamit yun whether you win, no, or lose. Dapat consistent mo siyang gagamitin for a couple of weeks, no? Dapat nga a couple of months para sigurado talaga tayo. Bakit? Because at the end of it, malalaman mo kung gumagana talaga or hindi yung strategy mo. You have some solid statistics, no? Tapos makikita mo din na yung strategy mo has gone through several market conditions. Kasi may mga market conditions na hindi naman gumagalaw masyado, no? May mga market conditions na malakas pumalo yung market, malakas mag-trend. So, you need to test out your strategy on those different market conditions para makita mo talaga, no? Tapos sabihin natin you were able to have like 50 trades, no? So from those 50 trades for the past, let's say 1 or 2 months, nakikita mo na okay, ito pala yung winning rate ko, no? Tapos nakikita mo hindi pa siya profitable. So from there, pwede mo siya i-adjust kasi meron kang solid na statistics. Sabi mo, parang pangit yata yung pasok ko sa trend. Sige, magdagdag nga ako ng ganitong condition, no? The price has to be trading above 50 moving average sa ganitong time frame or whatever, no? So you add certain conditions, you remove certain conditions, and then you test it out again, no? Now, yun yung hard part, no, with trading. Yun yung pinakamahirap na part kasi consistent mo siyang gagawin at tanggap mo dapat na sa simula hindi ka talaga magiging profitable kasi sinastabilize mo pa yung trading, no? Next to that, tandaan nyo po, yung market conditions, nagbabago po yan, no? The market adapts and changes. So at the same time, yung strategy na nagawa mo, let's say after a couple of months nakita mo na profitable na yung strategy mo, there will be times na mag-change yung market conditions and your strategy might not fit it very well. So with that, kailangan i-adjust mo. So kumbaga, it's a work in progress, no? You always have to consistently improve and adjust your strategy. That's number one, no? Ngayon po, kapag kumikita na yung strategy natin, the next important part, actually together with that, no, is risk management. Yung risk management po, kahit gaano po kayo kagaling na trader, no, kahit gaano kagaling po yung strategy nyo, kapag sablay ang ating risk management, ganun din po ang magiging ending nun. Okay? Ganun din po magiging ending. Bakit? Because there will be times in the market na tuloy-tuloy yung talo natin, no? Normal yun. Okay? That's part of trading. And when that happens, kailangan mababa lang risk mo. Enough na you would survive those difficult conditions, no? And then when the time comes na maganda na yung market condition, makakabawi ka ng madali, no? So kasama yung risk management doon. Kasi kapag maganda nga yung trading mo, pero may isang pangit ka na trade na kinalahati o account mo, edi ganun din, no? Pangit din yung kalalabasan. So that's number 2, risk management. Number 3 is trading psychology, which is the most neglected part of trading. Sa totoo lang, wala masyadong gustong marinig yan trading psychology na yun o hindi masyadong iniintindihan. No? A lot of traders think na 90% of trading is the strategy in its own. No? Kumbaga, wala masyadong room for trading psychology. But to be honest, that is the hardest part as well in trading. Bakit? Kasi ang kalaban mo dyan, hindi po yung market, ang kalaban mo yung sarili mo. Okay? And that's very hard. Now, kapag nagtitrade po kayo, no, there will come a time na kanwari, nakikita mo lumalapit yung trade mo doon sa stop loss. And what do you do? No? Alam mo dapat, pag tinamaan yung stop loss mo, that's your cut loss level. Tapos na yung trade. No? That's it. But during that time, lalo pag pinapanood mo yung market, what do you do? No? Ang gagawin mo, minsan ina-adjust mo yung stop loss, binababa mo ng konti, no? Tapos ang gagawin mo, bababa mo ng konti, hindi masyadong manipis yung stop loss ko. So you try to argue or debate with yourself. And what happens, no? Bababa mo yung stop loss mo, market nagtitrend pa ba? Di lalong aabutin yung stop loss mo. So you get to risk more than what you allotted in that same trade. And what's even worse, a lot of people do this. No, personally, ako po ginagawa ko yun. And I'm sure that, people who are hearing this right now, baka yung iba sa inyo nagawa na to, tatanggalin mo yung stop loss, no? Tapos bibili ka ulit para just in case umakyat ng konti, you might have a little bit of break even in the market, you get out with no losses, no? Kumbaga medyo umaasa ka ng ganon. Which is terrible kasi kung babalik ka doon sa number 1 natin na trading plan, hindi kasama yun sa plano mo, no? Kumbaga yung umasa ka na umangat yan, that's not part of your plan. Alright? So you avoid that. Or, for example, no, may mga naririnig kang balita or, from your fellow traders, nakikita mo, uy, nagbabay sila ng Euro USD, no? You get hyped a little bit, no? Wala sa trading plan mo yun, and then you get to trade impulsively, no? Pag ganun, that's bad trading psychology. And to be honest, ang hirap disiplinahin yung sarili natin when it comes to that. It will take time, no? So, whenever you encounter these temptations in the market, avoid them. No, alam niyo naman ang dapat gawin. Meron naman kayong trading plan, meron naman kayong tamang risk management. Sundin niyo 'yon. So I believe those are the 3 most important things to become successful in the market para tayo maging successful na trader. Now this will take time. Okay? So konting tiyaga lang, tandaan niyo po, trading is a skill. Kumbaga, you develop your skill, you develop your discipline, no? And then eventually, you get better at it over time, basta tama yung ginagawa mo. Alright? So, I guess that's pretty much it. Sana po nakatulong and hopefully, more of us will transition into become successful traders. And don't worry po, yung mga na-mention natin kanina ng mga trading plan, no? Trading psychology and everything, meron naman po tayo sa PAFTI niyan, libre yan, no? So, we have our courses for that. Very public naman po yung paraan namin ng pag-trade. So, you can join us there, no? Nandiyan naman po sa description sa video natin kung paano po sumali sa ating Discord group. And hopefully, you get to join us in our trading community. Alright, so anyway, maraming salamat and I'll see you guys on our next video. Bye-bye! If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, like, and follow for more updates. See you guys and happy pipping!